This is your off-school pocket video guide to how to use possessive apostrophes. Handy bit of punctuation that shows possession. So in a sentence you can show that something belongs to a noun. So for instance, my dog's tail is fluffy. If we wanted to show that the tail belongs to the dog, so it's one dog, we would need to put an apostrophe and it shows that it belongs to the noun in this case, which would be the dog. Next one, my friend's bike, talking about one friend. A friend's bike is new. The bike belongs to the friend, and the apostrophe shows possession by going between the D and the S. So fairly straightforward. You'd have the noun and then you'd have the possessive apostrophe and the S. Okay, what happens if we have a word, our noun here has got two S's on the end. The princess hair is long. The princesses. So we can't just add another S, we need to show possession, so we put apostrophe S. The princess's hair is long. Okay, what about the boss? The boss's office is big. Again, it's got a double S, we put a apostrophe and an S. The boss's office is big. So far so good. Okay, what if you are like me and have a name that ends in an S? Mrs. Thomas's class are lovely. Well, in this case, we can put an apostrophe. Some people put an apostrophe and an S, and that is correct as well, but I like to stay simple and put it with just one apostrophe, and as long as you're consistent with your writing and follow the same method, then that is fine. So I would put, because it is a name, I would just put Mrs. Thomas, and I would show that it is belonging to me, my class, with the apostrophe at the end. So Mrs. Thomas's class are lovely. Okay. What about if we have a noun which is already a plural? Here we've not got one child, we've got children. Okay, so the children's manners are good. Let's see how we can change that. So this time we're going to add the apostrophe and then the S. The children's manners are good. Okay, it shows that the manners belong to the children. Have a go at writing some of your own sentences using possessive apostrophes and try it out. Here's a recap of the rules. So, if it is a singular word, it's a noun like a dog or a cat, you would just add apostrophe S. If it ends in a double S at the end of your noun, you would put, for instance, like classes, you would add apostrophe S. If your word is a name that ends in one S, as in Mrs. Thomas's or James, you just put the apostrophe at the end. If it is a plural noun, like men's or children's, you just add apostrophe S. Okay, so there's a recap of our rules. Sounds a bit tricky, but once you start practicing with them, you will get the hang in no time. So, hope you enjoyed that. Bye!